In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now select Passwords and Accounts over here. When you're ready, click on this gear icon next to Google under Autofill Service. Choose Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!